This one here, it is like a magical, mystical sand clock of like power and time travel and whatever. It's absolutely amazing. So that's the sparkly one, and then there's the bunny one here, which I really like too. It was look, it's a little bunny. It's like, hello. This is a chocolate headpiece. So it's bent chocolate, obviously not edible chocolate, but it's bent chocolate pattern, and then it's like whipped cream going all the way around, and then it has this loads and loads of really good quality lace going around here, ending in a fork and a spoon and 2 bows. Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cathy Cat from Tokyo! Today with another video from Japan, straight out to you. If you're new, don't forget, this is a chance to subscribe now for more stuff from Japan. And don't forget to take out the notification bell, so you don't miss any future videos. Design Festa is the most amazing festival, and I hold some really cool items. And now to explain what Design Festa is, it is like Etsy Wonderland. It's like so many artists come together to display their work. They're like huge canvases people are drawing on. There's also loads and loads of cute accessories, clothes, items, little knitbits, figurines, anything. Loads and loads of creative things that people are making and displaying at Design Festa. It is actually so popular that people actually have to draw a lottery ticket. If they get in, they get in. And there are so many halls on so many places, it's almost impossible to actually see everything. So you need to be there like straight every day in the morning until evening if you really want to see everything. Those are just the mind-blowing dimensions of that event. And this event happens twice a year, and this time it's the autumnal winter selection, so Design Festa. I went there to go and shop around. Actually, for example, this little tori, which is like a Japanese gate that you sometimes see in front of shrines here, that one I bought at Design Festa last time as well. So loads and loads of creative stuff. It's just like the most amazing thing if you want to have something unique and beautiful to accessorize with. So yes, fashion lovers and people who love Japanese creativity, everyone's welcome. And here's my haul. Ta-da! Here's already a nice big pink bag, and I'm gonna unbag the items. It says Pastel Parade on the back, which is actually going to be the last item I'm going to review. But let me show you what else is in this wonderful bag. First of all, if you have any creative people you are supporting right now, or people that you actually know, my hint would be to actually check their Twitter, because on their Twitter they will give you a alphabetic letter and then a 3-digit number to where they are. For example, we are at F13. Or F113, make it easier, so you know that you need to find that booth that is an F113 to find them there. That's the strategy that I went with this time, so I know where everyone is and I can go straight there. So one of the people I went to is the girl from Compi2. Compi2 I've already done a lucky bag with this year as well, and she was at Design Festa again with her other artist friends. So Compi2 MK Design, she's actually recently also displaying, I was talking with her, she's displaying also in certain shops in America, in the Kara shop, and even I think Italy, she said. So she's like all around the world, so her items are getting more and more popular. And I got some more cute wings from her. I already have these wings in white. I have them in kind of a translucent iridescent kind of color, and I just wanted to have some extra more because it's pink accessories, and the nice thing is they clip, so I can clip them, for example, into my hair bubble or similar things, or just have them accessorized on my head. It's adorable. Love these things, and I always treat them with loads of love and care. So I stood at the store and I couldn't decide for absolute ages which one's color I'm gonna get, because I thought maybe get darkers, but then in the end I have so many pink dresses, so I'm sure this was probably the better choice for this time. Next time I'll get something else. Also, on that note, Compi2, Menhera-chan, and Mirakuru.com, there's the 3 artists together. Compi2 does the cute accessories, then Mirakuru does really cool sailor sleeves and like clothes as well, and then you have Menhera-chan as the designer of Menhera-chan. He has like things around Menhera-chan, batches and cute things as well. They're gonna do a thing in January, so I'm probably gonna go. That's on January 5th to 14th in the Kara shop in Shinjuku, so you can see they're coming far. It's really nice to see the artists, like see where they're doing, where they're going. So yes, exciting stuff. Since I mentioned Menhera-chan, yes, I said hi again to the artist of Menhera-chan. If you've seen the other Design Festa video that I've done, I actually have a whole picture that he actually drew for me that's displayed in my room. But look, there was also, because everything is a little bit yummy kawaii, so this one are like cute little pills that he had as a badge, and that was only 500 yen, so I was like, bargain, huge badge, 500 yen, really cool. That will go with my Nurse Lolita, so that's gonna go in my Nurse Lolita stuff. Bought one my badge, but I already gave that away to a friend as a gift, so yes, imaginary badge in the shape of a heart that had like 2 syringes going down like this, and it said health. The next store is called Tamapan. Now, Tamapan, I stood in front of the store and I couldn't decide for so long. I think it's the longest time. I spent absolute ages there. And the shop owner was so nice. Next to me, she helped turn a back charm into a necklace for a girl, and all her necklaces were amazing. So this one here, it is like a magical, mystical sand clock of like power and time travel and whatever. It's absolutely amazing. So you can see it's like this little sand clock of like sparkles and light. And even if it turns over, I think it looks really cool on both sides. So I really wanted that. And then you can see it has like a little crown here on the top and it ends in a heart. There's a heart here. The chain here as well, those are little hearts if you look closer. So that is really, really, really cute detailing that I really like. And again, on the top of it, she didn't have to, but she decided to put sparkles and a little crown on. Oh, it's just so much attention to detail. Then there is this little box. This was the item I was really, I looked at so many of her necklaces and I couldn't decide. I really had in the end to like just make a decision, and it took me so long. Oh, it says thank you in the box. Thank you for buying our items. So here, look at this baby cakes. Just check out how wonderful this item looks. It looks like a magical girl lollipop, and she has like loads of little crystals in here, and then like a crystal extra here, and it's just like it has sakura leaves on it, and it just looks like a magical girl lollipop. Is so cute, so precious. Really love this one. And because I had such a good rapport with the shopkeeper and everything, and so I got all three of them for a really good price. So this one was a little bunny one. So that's the sparkly one, and then there's the bunny one here, which I really like too. It was look, it's a little bunny. It's like hello, and has a little bow and little sparkles on his ear. And then if it flips over, which accessories sometimes do, it has like a little crystal here. It's so cute. And then again, it has more crystals again in this in the stick, and then ends in the cute crown thing. Everything is so cute. So all of these three items, and it wasn't that expensive. It was a really good price. So it was like, thank you so much, I love you. So yeah, I'm probably gonna follow her from now on and find what she's doing on Instagram and stuff. Support the individual artists. Whee! But the main reason I actually came for was to come for Pastel Parade, which is the big bag here for. And the reason being is I know Pastel Parade from years, when I literally just started out as a YouTuber here in Japan, because the designer of Pastel Parade used to go to a university that held a special thing, so it was at Waseda University, and if you dug past into my videos, you'll find the video actually where it was like a later fashion show. So it was, I called it Alice in Waseda Land, I think, and the designer of Pastel Parade gave a little tutorial on how she does her crafts, because they're super cute and super Lolita, and I've followed her artwork through the last couple of years, seeing how she's changed or what she's amended and how she's made things better. And there's always this one item that I wanted for such a long time, and this time I just saw that she was going to Design Festa, and I just asked her, do you have it? You know, how does it look? And she was like, yes, I have it. So she put one behind the counter, so I went to her stand and I got it. Dun, 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 dun. Pastel Parade is she makes items that go very really well with Lolita fashion, and this is the one item I've wanted for so long, and finally is here with me, and just all nicely wrapped and stuff. So let's take it out. This is a headpiece, but it is not a cloth headpiece. It's actually a hard headpiece, because what she's done is, if you look, this is a chocolate headpiece. So it's bent chocolate, obviously not edible chocolate, but it's bent chocolate pattern, and then it's like whipped cream going all the way around, and then it has this loads and loads of really good quality lace going around here, ending in a fork and a spoon and two bows in brown. It's all chocolate themed. I also like the little dice motif that she has here. On the inside it will say Pastel Parade. It has clips, so you can clip it into your hair, and little flowers just to cover up the area here. And yeah, I've seen it. I've always wanted one of those because I have loads of chocolate prints. I mean, right behind me right now you can see a chocolate prints, which are generally, this is not the season for chocolate prints and rich chocolate prints, chocolate. So yeah, finally get one of her headpieces. I'm so happy. Now this comes out a little bit big, is what my friend said when I went there with her. Let's try it on. Pudding. There there we go. Here is the headpiece I have wanted for so long. It's so cool. I like it so much. There's so much detail, so much effect going on. Obviously this will not work with what I'm wearing right now, but this will work very well with this one, so you can check that out soon on my Instagram, because I'm working so much on really high quality Instagram posts, guys. You know it, you've probably seen them already. Like, my Instagram is it's so pretty, and I'm allowed to say that because I have the director of Japanese take those gorgeous pictures to put up, so I'm really grateful for that too. So yeah, finally the headpiece that I've wanted for the better part of 4 years is part of my collection, which I shall accessorize it with and then use it also. So you can see I have a lot of my natural hair color is poking out a little bit right now, so that covers it nicely as well. Also, this is big enough for also fit wigs underneath it, which is also good if you want to accessorize it with wigs. So that was my Design Festa haul, and since I already focused on quite good things, quite high quality things, that was the limit of my money. I had to stop myself at this point. So that was my Design Festa haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. A quick little thing of like just accessories and stuff. Let me know, guys, do you do any crafty things? If you do, let me know. If there's any crafty people you can recommend to me, let me know about that as well. And I hope I'll catch you soon for more cute stuff from me here. If you have subscribed, you'll get more stuff, and if you've ticked the notification bell, then you'll definitely get more stuff from me from Japan. So yeah, just wanted to review some kind of cute itsy things with you. Let me know what kind of crafts you enjoy or which kind of individual artists you support. Let me down below. Maybe I find my new favorite artist somewhere in there. I wish you a great day. I hope you have a lovely time, and don't forget, life should be sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!